So hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a really cool glitch on FIFA 15. Today, what we're gonna do is I'll show you later. Okay, just gonna tell you what we're gonna do. It's a glitch that actually allows you to change the difficulty from professional matches, like you play in Division 1, from professional to beginner mode, or to any other difficulty you would like. And I believe this glitch will help many people, and this is the first time I'm telling you guys this glitch, so please appreciate it. And this is how you're gonna do it. So first off, gotta go into seasons. You can see it's an Ultimate League, so the difficulty is understood that it's world class. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back all the way to the home page. Go to games of the week, play any random one. By the way, this glitch also works for Android, not only iOS. So once you've come into this page, click the pause menu and just quit the game, like so. And then you gotta go back to seasons. You wanna just keep clicking tick all the way. And there you go. Difficulty is in beginner mode. I hope this video has helped you guys. So please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more FIFA videos or other gaming videos. Thank you guys.